Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we will learn how to check on the monetization status for your YouTube channel. So, if you are not yet monetized, how to check on your progress? That's what we are going to check in today's video. Also, do check out the YouTube Launch Playbook, which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step by step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description. Now, first, when you go to your YouTube studio, see on the left hand side and you can see the earn tab over here. Just click on it. So now there are two parts of eligibility you will see over here, right? The first one shows 500 subscribers, 3 video uploads, and any one of the following, which says 3000 watch hours in last 365 days, that is last 1 year, or 3 million views in the last 90 days for shorts. Or, right, it says future milestone 1000 subscribers and 4000 public watch hours, or 10 million short views in the last 90 days. So the progress you can see over here, what is, so this is for my for second channel, first one is already monetized. So you can see the progress for in each of these for monetization. But what is the difference between these two? So this is fan funding access for your channel, wherein this is the first kind of access for monetization without ad revenue sharing. So if you are able to meet this 500 subscribers, 3000 watchers, or 3 million, you get access to these fan funding revenue model, that is membership super shopping, right? And if you continue and become eligible for this, that is 1000 subscribers and 4000 watchers, you get access to ad revenue sharing from YouTube. So that's the main one. If you want a detailed video on this, I will create one for fan funding access, what is covered under this, and the main ad revenue uh, eligibility, right? Once you become eligible, this button gets activated and you can click on it to apply for monetization, and your channel will get approved post review from YouTube. Hope this is useful. If you have any queries, do drop in the comment section and subscribe to our channel YouTube with Saave.